Let's compare Realme Pad 2 versus Amazon Fire Max 11. Operating system, Android 13 versus Android 11, Fire OS 8. Chipset, MediaTek MT8781 Helio G99 versus MediaTek MT8188J. GPU, Mali G57MC2 versus Mali G57MC2. Display type, IPS LCD, 1B colors, 120 Hz, 450 nits versus IPS LCD. Display size, 11.5 inches versus 12.1 inches. Pixel density, 203 ppi versus 212 ppi. Screen resolution, 1200 x 2000 pixels versus 2000 x 1200 pixels. Base memory internal base, 64 GB 6 GB RAM versus 64 GB 4 GB RAM. Camera, 8 megapixel camera versus 8 megapixel camera. Video, 1080p 30 fps versus 1080p 30 fps. Front camera, 8 MP versus 8 MP. Video, 1080 30 fps versus 1080 30 fps. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 802.11 versus Wi-Fi 802.11. Bluetooth, 5.3 versus 5.3. USB, Type-C 2.0 versus Type-C 2.0. Sensors, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer versus fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, proximity. Battery type, lithium polymer battery, 8,360 mAh versus lithium polymer battery, 10,000 mAh. Charging, 33W wired versus 15W wired. Weight 575 grams versus 490 grams. Price, $259 versus $229.99.